How to connect Google Drive with Trello. So let's get started. Open your board, and first thing we need to do is add Power Up. Click on these three dots, go Power Ups, and search Google Drive. Here simply click on Add, and then click again on Settings. Edit Power Up settings, link a Google Drive account. And here you can simply choose an account, and we're gonna link it with Trello. Click again on Settings, and now you got options remove personal settings, disable, but your Google Drive is already synced with the Trello. And this is how can you do it. So you need to first install this Power Up. Just simply search Google Drive, click on Add, link your account, and this is how can you integrate Google Drive with Trello. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment or hit the like button. And if you want to see more, subscribe to the channel. See you.